Today I'm going to talk about how 10 minutes can change your life. Yes, you heard it right. I said today I'll let you know or I'll tell you how 10 minutes can change your life. Guys, 10 minutes every day if you practice English the way I tell you, trust me on this, it will change your life. I'm going to talk about a lot of techniques, a lot of things what you can practice or how you can practice every day for 10 minutes, minimum 21 days. Minimum for 21 days. It is said that if you practice something, if you do something for 21 days, it develops into a habit. I don't know about that, but I'm very sure it will help you to see a lot of progress in your spoken English. That is for sure. Okay, so let's get started. Welcome back, guys. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you out to speak English fluently and confidently. So guys, I am back with the methods and techniques which will help you to speak English fluently and confidently. For this, first things first, you have to give 10 minutes every day to this English speaking practice. Okay, and not more than that, for sure. Okay, at least 10 minutes you have to focus, you have to be attentive, you have to be very much into it or immersed into it so that it helps you. Those 10 minutes are fruitful and it helps you so that after 21 days when you look back at your English, you'll find the difference. So, today I'm going to talk about first technique which you can practice is whatever you do at your home or whatever you do in your daily routine, start describing that in English. Okay, now I'm not telling you every time when you wake up, when you're brushing your teeth, when you're cooking, when you're traveling, when you are, in college, when you're in office, you start describing everything. You don't get that time, right? You don't have much time. So what you do is limit yourself for 10 to 10 minutes. Whenever at the end of the day, before going to sleep or before you're starting your day, or when you are on breaks, or when you're sitting at home and relaxing, whichever time you love, you want, or you are willing to take up this task, take that time, allot that time to you. So first you have allotted that time, right? But make sure it is the same time every single day, because again, if today you think that, okay, today early in the morning I'll talk about, describe my actions in 10 minutes. Okay, I'll dedicate 10 minutes today in the morning. And next day when you feel like, oh no, it's not possible, I'm a little busy. So when I'll come back from office or come back from college, then I'll practice this for 10 minutes. Don't do that, guys. That will never happen. Okay, again, you will keep pushing your time. Okay, now it is not possible. I'm hungry right now, or I'm sleepy right now, or I'm not very fresh right now. So let's do it some other time. So you'll keep on pushing that time. So first things first, what you do is dedicate 10 minutes every day, same time. Okay, and then you start speaking about it. For example, if early in the morning you have chosen to speak about, speak for 10 minutes, what you can talk about? You can describe how your day is going to be like. You know the plans for the day, right? You wake up and you know what you have to do the next, right? Whether it is staying at home or going out with friends or going to college or going to office or going for some trips or anything for that matter. You know it, right? You're not blank at the start of the day that what you have to do. At least you don't know anything else. You know that you have to wake up, you have to get dressed, you have to eat breakfast, you have to watch TV, or you have to watch a movie, or you have to, take a walk. So whatever, you know those things, right? Whatever you know, start speaking about it. Try, at least try, give it a try, guys. I know we all have a lot of excuses, like I don't have a teacher. to correct me. I don't know whether I'm saying it right or wrong. Okay, or I don't know what topic I can take. I don't know about any topic. I don't know how to start my speech or how to start my conversation. Okay, or I don't have anybody. How do I talk? Right? And it's quite funny talking to myself, what people will think. Keep all these excuses aside, guys. You are the best teacher. You are your own teacher, your own judge. Nobody can judge you like you can. Okay, so at least start speaking. Whether it is a wrong English, it is a wrong sentence, forget about it, guys. At least start. You have to start from somewhere, right? That is the only motive. Because, when you don't speak, you won't be able to become fluent. You won't gain confidence. A lot of things attached to it. So, day one, the day you have thought that you want to speak English fluently and confidently, or you want to learn to speak English, you have to start practicing, whether your English is good, bad, right or wrong. Don't worry about it. Doesn't matter. You have to start speaking. Okay, start describing what your day is going to be like. If not that, you have to make your breakfast. Okay, go to the kitchen. If you're making poha, if you're making idli, you're making bread omelette, whatever you are doing, start describing that activity at least. Okay, I'm taking 2 slices of bread. I'm frying an egg, or I'm making poha. Okay, so start describing your actions in English. You're having tea, you're eating breakfast, you don't get time in the kitchen. Okay, you are in a hush, in a hurry. You're just, you have to just make your breakfast and then you have to eat and you have to leave office or college or anywhere else. Okay, you are in a hurry. Make your breakfast, come and sit. Start at least describing your breakfast. Oh, I'm having poha with tea. The poha is really nice. It turned out to be nice. I've made a good breakfast today. And the tea is also very nice. I like the tea. I love the morning tea. I love my morning tea. So 2, 3 sentences, 4 sentences maximum, at least try, guys. You can speak. You can say these things. I love poha. Today I wanted to eat poha. Right? I love my morning tea. These are not complex sentences, guys. It's all very easy. I want to. I like. I am. Start using these structures. Okay, take a note of it. Take a note of it right now. Start using these. I am having breakfast. I am having bread omelette. I am having poha. I am having tea. Okay, so I am having, I like, I love, I want to, I wanted to. These are the sentences structure which you can use describing your breakfast or describing your daily activity. You can describe your daily activity also like this. If you have plans in the morning, if you're brushing your teeth and you're speaking about it, you can say, today after having breakfast, I'll be going to office. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. I'll have lunch probably by 1 o'clock. Then there's another meeting scheduled at 2 o'clock. Okay, so likewise you can say, right, I am having, I will have, I am going to office. I will reach office. I will, I am, I want to, I do a lot of work in office. Or I have a lot of work to do in office. So guys, start speaking with these sentence structures. It's very simple. Okay, now when you're back from office or back from work or back from college, if at that time you have thought of speaking something, dedicating those 10 minutes, what you can do is in that 10 minutes, you can recall what you have done the whole day or what has happened the whole day. If you can pick one incident and you can speak about it, well and good. Otherwise, you can share the whole plan. What did you do? I reached college by 10 o'clock. There was a lecture at 10:15. The professor was little late. He gave a lecture on so and so subject. It was quite interesting. Then we had a break. I went to have some tea. Likewise, you can just start describing your day. Okay. Or I'll give you another example. What you can do is when you have come from office, there are meetings like 2-3 meetings, at least 1 or 2 meetings are scheduled every single day for all of us, right? We all have to take meetings or we all have to attend meetings. So what you can do is when you when you're back from office and you want to practice speaking, you can take that meeting as an example. Start imitating your boss, your team lead or your project manager who has taken the meeting. Start thinking about what he spoke about or she spoke about in the meeting. Try to put those thoughts in your own words. Guys, this is very helpful for professionals. Really helpful. Because if tomorrow you're going to take that meeting, you have to say on those lines, right? So you are practicing that. So if you start practicing that, you will start building up on your English, and you will start building up on your qualities, leadership qualities. So it is going to help in 2 ways. Start taking that as an example and start doing that. If you don't remember a lot of things, if since you're not very good in English, or probably it will be difficult for you to remember everything, what you can do is you take notes, right, when you are in a meeting. So come back, see what you have written in that and speak on those lines. It is a very good way of practicing, guys. Trust me on that. Trust me on that. If tomorrow somebody asks you a question, you'll be able to reply also with confidence there, because you have been practicing it for a long time on those lines, right? Whatever your meeting basically happens about the project, right? About the progress, about the project and stuffs in and around the project, right? So what vocabulary is used, what kind of questions are asked, what kind of answers are given, what kind of statements are made. So you know everything. Just practice. If you practice it well, tomorrow you will be able to speak about it in front of people. Trust me on that. Okay, so this is another thing. Now, if you didn't get time the whole day, at night when you're going to sleep, right? You don't sleep immediately, right? So what you can do is, you can just think about anything. You can pick any incident and start speaking about it. Okay. Or you can discuss about your next day plans. You can start planning for the next day. So these are few examples which are really effortless. You don't have to think much about the topic, what topic I am going to choose today for 10 minutes practice. You don't have to take out any topic. You don't have to research about the topic. You don't have to gain any knowledge about the topic so that you can speak. You don't have to worry about the vocabulary, about the phrases which are used to express that topic, right? Or describe that topic. You don't have to worry on that. It's just that whatever you have done the whole day, you can just describe that. Or whatever you're doing, you went to the gym, right? Probably you went to the gym, or you went to play basketball or cricket or any game for that matter, or you went and met a friend of yours, or you went for a birthday party or anything. You must have done something the whole day, right? So probably at night you can recall that and describe about it. That's it. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. If you're not getting much words, describe what you're able to. At least 2, 3, 4 sentences you can make about it. If you have met a friend, you can just describe, I met an old friend of mine, or I met my friend today. Is this a difficult statement to make or sentence to make? Not at all. You know English, you read English, you can understand English, guys. If you're listening to me, which means you understand English, you are capable of making simple sentences like, I met my friend today, right? I was very happy to meet him. We spent some time together, or we had tea. We had some samosas together. Anything for that matter, guys. So you can come up with any 3-4 sentences. Don't describe the whole thing, what conversation you had, what happened there, and don't get into the complexities of that. At least 3-4 sentences start making about your meeting or whatever you have done during the day. Start making sentences, guys. Here I'm talking about how you can start. If you're intermediate, start making 5 to 10 sentences about it. Describe more in detail about your meeting. Describe more in detail about what you did in the gym, or what you did in the office, or what happened in the college, or what did you cook, okay, or whatever. Start describing it in more detail. If you are in intermediate level. Advanced level, come up with a good incident the whole day, whatever happened, come up with an incident and start speaking about it for 5 minutes or 2 minutes probably, right? So these are the ways you can just start practicing every day for 10 minutes. You don't have to think about any topic, like which topic I will choose today. You don't have to worry about the topic. You don't have to worry about whether I'm right or wrong. You don't have to worry about what people will think about me, when they listen to me. You have to speak to yourself. Try to speak out loud. Go in your bathroom. Stand in front of the mirror and speak. Close the door. Stand in front of the mirror and speak. Go into the bathroom and speak. Wherever you are comfortable. If you don't want others to hear you, do these things. Right? But speak up, guys. You have to start practicing. If you don't practice, nobody can help you. These are very simple ways of starting, guys. This is very simple. You can do it. And if you think you are not able to make proper sentences, or you're feeling little difficulty in making sentences, try and watch some YouTube videos which describes the daily routine. I have come up with a video which have a lot of phrases and which describes how you can which tells you how you can describe your daily routine. Go and watch my video and then start practicing that. It will be a great help for you. Trust me on that. On that note, guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and watch my videos. See you until next time. Bye-bye.